Hi, I'm Mr. Keith Greusel. I'm one of the instructors for the Introduction to Drone class.
I'm Mr. Hansell. I'm one of the other instructors for the drone course. Mr. Greusel is actually going to go over why the course was developed. So I'll leave you to Greusel.
All right, so I guess you're wondering why drones. As we were looking at STEM careers and career readiness requirements that the school has, we came up with the drone class because drones is one of the fastest growing segments of the transportation economy. So we developed a class to prepare students to possibly pursue a career on flying their drones. To get a career in drones, it's governed by the Federal Aviation Administration, the FAA, and we're going to try to get them somewhat prepared to pursue the career in drones by taking their Part 107 exam, which is what you need to get a commercial drone license. So now I'm going to turn it over to Mr. Hansell, who's going to talk to you a little bit about what the curriculum entails.
So in this course, the students are going to learn how to fly a drone safely and legally. So with safety, they're actually going to be working on a flight simulator for a portion of the course. That's how we can safely learn how to pilot a drone before piloting the actual drones. And we have quite a few drones. We have some indoor drones and we have some of the outdoor drones. Hopefully, as the weather gets nicer outside, we can use some of those outdoor drones. But it's not all about flying. They're going to learn how to read sectional charts. They're going to learn various things about weather conditions and how they would affect the performance of the drone. We're going to learn about forces of flight. The students will also learn how to repair the drone. The outdoor drones are actually ones that they're going to build. They have a flight manual that they're going to go through. So in the beginning, we'll talk about various systems like the mechanical system, and then they will work on putting together the mechanical systems for the drone. We will then continue on to different sensors, as well as the electrical systems for the drones, in which case the students will be building those portions of the drone. So as Mr. Greusel had stated, the goal is also to hopefully get them to test for their Part 107 commercial drones license. That's where the whole looking at airspace and some of the laws and such associated with the drone are going to fall into the class. And some of those things we're going to have PowerPoints and videos that either Mr. Greusel or myself will be going over in the class. Certain weather conditions, Mr. Greusel's a lot more informed with that stuff. He's a better reference for the earth science portion of it, and I cover a lot of the physics and electronics then. That way, no matter which class the student is a part of, we get the expertise of either Mr. Greusel or myself covering that topic. And of course, if the students would ever have any questions, they would always be able to contact the instructor, whether it be myself or Mr. Greusel. So their grade is dependent on some of the projects they will do in class, one of which is going to be researching some of the jobs that you could hold with a commercial drone license. Other things they'll be graded on is that flight log, because again, that's something the FAA will ask. If something's going on, they want to see your flight logs, and that is required. So flight logs are a big portion of the class, about 25%. We'll also have simulator submissions, because the simulator is going to give us a snapshot of what's going on with the student's abilities. So there will be weekly flight simulator submissions. We usually have a task that we want them to perform, whether it be inspecting a tower in one of the courses, or it might just be flying through a course to see how things play out. So that pretty much sums things up with why the course was developed and the curriculum behind it. So if you would have any questions, concerns, problems, anything like that, I would say feel free to contact me if your son or daughter has myself in class, or you would be able to contact Mr. Greusel if you would have any questions, and we'd be more than happy to get back to you. So we wish you the best of luck in this course, and we'll see you later.